Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And one of the things I did was was searching Charlotte Roofing, and this is what comes up on the first page. And I just want to show you a couple of things that you can do to improve your website and rankings. Um, some you can do on your own. But this first page is actually some ads on the top. Then you get into what we call the map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings, which is what you definitely want. The first is one of your competitors. This is a business directory, another competitor, business directory year, competitor, and so on. So I don't know if you knew, but 80% of all searches that go on for Charlotte Roofing choose one of the top three search results. So that's why most businesses want to make sure they get on the first page to capture that new business. And so I continued looking. I found you on page 4, and let's see, you were down. Did I pass you? Yeah, here we go. Griffin Roofs, near the top of page 4. And so I went to your website and looked at it, and just want to mention a couple things that you can do on your own to improve your rankings. And looks really nice, and you've got good pictures and a little bit of content there. Hopefully your web person is putting the image alt tags on these images. That is another signal to Google that will help boost your rankings. But what Google looks at in order to rank a site high is that they want to trust it. They're all about trust. And if you think about it, any search that you or I do on Google for anything, we want to get that what we're looking for. We want to have a good experience when we search for something, and we want to get what we're looking for. Immediately right there on the first page. Nobody, 90% of the people do not go past the first page of Google to find what they're looking for. So, what is Google? What affects Google's trust is the question. And one thing is the title tag. And so we put your URL in our metadata extractor, and it pulls out your title tag. And this is what typically comes out onto the blue line in the search results. And this is what's called the title tag. And Google is looking, if they know if people are looking for Charlotte Roofing, and you had Charlotte Roofing and aligned with Griffin Roofing and Construction, that would boost your rankings because it would be congruent with what people are searching for. Hopefully that makes sense. So you can make just that simple change on your website so that your title tag reads Charlotte Roofing, vertical line, Griffin Roofing, Construction. You actually have 72 characters here to play with. So hopefully you can make that quick change. The other thing Google looks at is your headings. Headings tell Google what you want to rank for, and you currently really aren't telling Google what you want to rank for. So you want to go on your website, and down here is where your heading would be. And again, make it congruent with what people are looking for, Charlotte Roofing, and put in Charlotte Roofing, and then under that, residential roofing, we offer a wide range of roofing choices, etc. That kind of thing. So hopefully that gives you some value and some things you can do on your own, or we'll be glad to help you. Just reply to my email. Thanks, and have a great day.